Apple just announced a new lineup for the iPhone 17, and in this video, we're going to take a closer look at the iPhone 17 Pro and talk about some of the notable features that was just announced. First off, let's talk about this new design. Apple has completely re-engineered the body with the brushed aerospace-grade aluminum unibody. But here's the genius part. They built an actual vapor chamber cooling system right into the chassis. Now, under the hood is the A19 Pro chip. This provides 40% better sustained performance over the iPhone 16 Pro. It makes it perfect for graphic-intensive games and editing 4K videos simultaneously. But here's what really blows my mind. It's the camera system. We've got three 48 megapixel sensors now and a new telephoto with 8x optical zoom. Not digital zoom, optical zoom. That larger sensor should also make low light telephoto shots actually usable now. And the front camera, well, there's big changes there as well. You'll find this new square sensor, which means that you can take landscape selfies without having to rotate your phone. Dual capture will let you record from both cameras simultaneously. This is a clever feature and it's perfect for content creators. Now, for my fellow filmmakers out there, listen to this. ProRes RAW, Apple Log 2, and Genlock support. This is the first smartphone that can genuinely integrate into a professional production workflow. Personally, I really want to test this Genlock functionality because it would be a real game changer for filmmakers out there. The precision sync across multiple cameras is also something we've never seen in a mobile device. Now, the battery life. The Pro Max provides a solid 39 hours of mixed use. That's not all-day battery. That's like, oh snap, I forgot my charger at home type of peace of mind. The display hits 3000 nits now, and that extra brightness combined with the new ceramic shield on both the front and back makes this feel like the most durable Pro model yet. So if you're thinking about upgrading from anything older than the 15 Pro, this is absolutely worth it. The combination of that vapor chamber cooling system, the insane camera upgrades, and the professional video features make this the most capable iPhone ever created. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Handy Andy Media on YouTube for the review of the iPhone 17 Pro once it's released. In the meantime, I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again in the next video.